Alright, here is your controller at a stop position. If you notice this light says PU right here, there's a button right here that says PU. If you hit that, it goes to EXT. If you ever have any power failures, the default goes back to EXT, which will not let the fan run until you press PU again to go back to local control. The basic functions are run and stop. You see on the bottom, run is green, stop is red. When you hit run and stop, when you hit run, it will go back to the last setting that you had it set on. Stop will stop your fan. You notice that there is a mode button here. When you see a U right here, that is showing you your voltage. That's more of a troubleshooting guide. If you hit it one more time, you'll see amperage. Again, that is for our troubleshooting. When you come back to F, F shows your frequency. This is where you can change your frequency at any time. If you hit mode again, you go back to H. H shows the actual running frequency of the fan. So to give you an example of that, I'm going to hit the green run button. This will bring it back up to the last known frequency that it was set at. .60 Hertz, as you notice there was 0. 60 Hertz is your top setting of your speed. Now, as it's running, you can come and adjust. You'll notice it automatically itself switches back to F where the adjustment would be, and you can just hit down or up, and this will adjust the speed on the fly. Or you can hit to the side. You'll notice it goes back up to F, but if you cursor over to the side, you can go up to the different tens and hundredths position, and this will let you just change it much quicker. There is a forward reverse function. You may hit this forward reverse function at any time. If you hit it while it's running, it automatically will slow itself down all the way back to 0, which you see happening right now. Then once it gets to 0, it will speed back up and it'll go back to the setting that you previously had it set at. For the most part, you will leave it in forward because we recommend that during wintertime applications that you just turn it down to about 15 Hertz and just slowly push the hot air down. As I stated earlier, when you hit stop, it will go down to 0. The next morning when you come back in, if you hit run, it will go back to the previous setting. So, for the most part, you'll just be hitting stop and run.